we're gonna continue with the playbook. So if you've been with us from the beginning of the year, you know that you need your plays. All right. You want to be a champion, you've got to have your playbook. You need to know what plays to do. You need to be focused. And so I'm gonna start sharing my screen here. And all right, you guys see that, right? Yes, head nods are okay. If you can't, then too bad. No. Anyway, champion playbook. Who wants to be a champion? Who wants just
Hello.
can you hear me? Can you guys hear me? Yes. All right. So go ahead, type champion in the chat if you want to be a champion. Would you like to be a champion? Who wants to be a champion at what they do? All right, Bonnie, Trisha, keep going. All right, keep going. All right. Well, to be a champion, you're going to need your plays. All right. The first one, we already talked about this. You can go back to the past trainings and find this. The first play is you need to be prepared. Okay. It is 80% preparation here. Okay. Be ready. Set your goals, your intentions, check your emails, messages, whatever. Just have your day ready to go. Um, Product knowledge, read up on the products, practice your short pitches, whatever, your demos. Okay. There's tons of training everywhere. Okay. The third play, we talked about, where we're going to meet people, finding leads through social media. If you didn't see Tammy Hornick's training with Pam on Monday, I think it was Monday. I don't know, all the days are a blur. I'm using the GIFs. You got to do that. You want to find some friends, okay? You want to connect with new people, you go watch that. And there's that challenge going on right now. And I think someone's going to explain that detail there. The fourth play, follow up, okay? Reach out to your prospects. And we talked about this last week, all right? How to love your customers. So go back and watch that one. But tonight's play is about promoting your business, all right? And right now, guys, if you are not taking advantage of the impressions amazing sale that's going on in exclusive colors, exclusive bowls, sizes, I mean, this is the time to promote your business. So to do that, you want to have engaging social media posts. You want to do some lives. You want to share the special offers. And there is an amazing new tool out there, and you guys need to find Jessica, because Jessica is going to share all about how we're transitioning from Top Social, if you've been with us for a while, to this new platform for engaging posts and everything. So
Kidding. All right, so like Loretta said, I have some exciting news for you guys. This is super exciting, and Pam's already shared about it a little bit, and we have a new tool for Tupperware, guys. All right, there I am. Awesome. All right, so I have to ask you guys a question, all right, before we get started here. How many of you have photos or videos, right, saved on your device, and you have a hard time finding it later? Say me in the comments. Ha. Right? How many photos and videos do you guys have on your camera roll? Just out of curiosity, let us know in the comments. Well, I looked back and I have 23,000. So that's very time consuming, right? Wouldn't you love a tool that would simplify that in a matter of seconds for you? Wouldn't that save you guys so much time, right? 8,000. Wow, that's a lot. Sorry if you guys hear my chicks. I just got them today. All right, so I have a second question for you. When you go and save maybe like a recipe, like a video of a recipe, maybe something from TikTok or Facebook or Instagram, and you go back to try to find those videos, do you find it? Is it hard to find? Well, guess what, guys? I have an amazing tool to share with you guys, and it's called Bam It. So grab your pen and paper, Pam said earlier, and get ready, because this is going to be amazing, and it's going to be a game changer for your business. So are you ready to declutter your digital life? Say me in the comments, and I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. Now, for this training purposes, this will be from my mobile device, but it can be accessed through a laptop or desktop. All the features aren't there yet, so don't get like all frustrated or discouraged. They will be there soon. I talked to Scott today, so because I was playing around with it, I'm like, Scott, I can't do this yet. And he said, hold tight. It's all going to be on a desktop and laptop too. But for now, let's play around with our mobile devices. All right. So the first thing you guys are going to need to do, it's called BAM, B-A-M, and I'm going to show you what it looks like when I share my screen. So I'm going to turn my video off here, and we're going to go to my other device, which is my cell phone. Okay, so hold tight here, just a second. Yay, all right, awesome. Okay, down here, do you guys see where it says BAM by my Instagram? Say yes?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. So that is the app that you all need to download. You can download it from Google Play, you can download it from the Apple Store, but that's what it looks like and that's what you're looking for, okay? So once you download that app, you're going to create an account. So write these steps down, please. So you're going to download it first, then you're going to create an account, all right? And then what you're going to do is I'm going to share with you guys a link. It's to Tupperware only. It's specially for Tupperware, and I'm going to show you why. So once you create your account, like I said, you're going to tap this link, and it's going to take you to everything Tupperware. All right, and it's free. Like Pam said, it's free. All right, let's go ahead and tap it. Wait till you guys see this. It is so simple. All right, so here is your home screen. Are you guys liking this already? So you see where it says albums, my albums, and then you got Team Tup. Then you got getting started on BAM, which are videos for training, just so you can get, more familiar with BAM. And then down at the bottom is lifestyle. And those are so important, right? Because those are your fun engagement posts that you can interact with your followers. So you get to know them better, build those relationships. So we're going to start off tonight by going to the My Albums first, because I want to show you guys how easy this is to simplify your camera roll on your device. Okay, so you're going to be able to organize everything right here. And there is absolutely no limit, guys, on how many albums you can create. It's mind blowing. I'm like, wow, I needed this in my life earlier, right? So you tap the My Albums. I'll kind of go slow here, but there'll also be a replay for you all. And then what you're going to do to create an album, you see the circle at the top. Sorry, I keep seeing admit, but I think I know what I'm saying. You see the circle at the top with the 3 dots? So you're going to tap that. You're going to tap add album. And let's just say I want to start creating my March parties, right? So I'm going to put March party. So I can put all my March party posts in this folder. Whoops, it'd help if I could spell, right? There we go. And you're just going to tap add. There it is. Yay. All right. Super simple. All right. So now we're going to go ahead out of that tab. You're just going to push back. And then I'm going to show you all everything in Team Tup. Now, Team Tup is everything that's current right now in February. So then when March rolls around, it'll be everything current for March. So you don't have to scroll through a bunch of old photos or anything like that. All right, it's all going to be current every week, every month for us. All right, so when you tap the Team Tup, there is all our bonus folders. So there's all the products. Then down below Potato Smart, you see recipes. Oh my gosh, guys. He has the photos in here with the recipes. Amazing. Don't have to search anywhere for them. They're all right here. And then he's got backgrounds so you can create your own memes like Loretta was talking about earlier. So you can brand yourself. And then there's a party tab, which is party posts. And then there's some quotes that you all can share. And then the templates are like welcoming team members, and you can actually put their picture right in those templates to welcome them. All right. But I'm going to show you all something so simple, how you can edit a photo and brand it and make it your own, and how many taps it takes, like 2. All right. So you guys excited to see that? Give me a 3 in the comments. All right. Let's go. Okay, so here's the tumblers, right? So I'm just going to kind of briefly go over what's in the folder. So there's all your product information about the tumblers right there at your fingertips. I'll even tap on it. See? Everything you need to know. And if you scroll down here, there's some extra pictures for you all to use. And then there's thank you scripts, there's sales scripts, and there's team scripts. And then at the bottom there is all of your videos. All right. But like I said, I want to show you all how easy this is to edit these pictures. It's so simple. I know we've done Canva before and it can get kind of complicated, but this is not like that at all. All right, so here is the photo. All right, so at the top there where it says edit, you're going to tap that. And where it says let's do the remove background first. I just got to show you guys. Look at this. Remove background. Wow. Do you see how easy that was? Well, way to go, Tupperware, right? So then after you remove the background, it becomes a sticker, so you know. And then you're going to tap save. Look how easy, guys. And look how quick. Now notice this. This is very, very, very important, okay? Read what this says. You may want to write this down. Saved. Your save can be found in the uncategorized album. Remember the album tab I showed you guys earlier? That's where it's at. All right, but we'll go back there so I can show you again. So push OK. And then I'm going to show you. So tap done. I'm going to back out, go back to home. And you see where it says uncategorized? Tap that. And look, there is my sticker. Now, the reason it goes here, anything you save goes to the uncategorized album. And the reason being is you can move any of these items into any folder that you want, which is amazing. So, and to do that, you see the arrow at the bottom there, the bottom left? Yeah, bottom left, yeah, the way I'm looking at it. You tap that, and then you can save the image, you can send it to somebody. But if you go to the plus where the boxes are, the little, like the rectangle, look at this. You can copy it to an album that's in BAM. You don't have to save it to your device and take up space or lose it, right? So you go to My Albums, and then I'm going to go ahead and put this in February because that's the February party I'm doing. And if you tap Done and go back and go to that February party, bam, there it is. Isn't that so easy? It's so exciting. I'm so happy. All right, so you're getting all the tools that we've used, right, in our social media era, and it's all in one app. It is super smart. All right, so I'm going to show you guys something else. Go back to what? Team Tup. So that's how you remove a background. So we'll go back here and how you can move it to an album. I'm going to go back to this. No, we're not doing that one yet. We are going to, oh no, I wanted to show you guys the background one. Backgrounds, there it is. Tap the backgrounds, and then any background that you guys want. Watch what happens. Tap the edit at the top right. Edit image. Wait till you guys see this. And then remember, when you take the background out, write this down, you are making it a sticker. All right. So you're going to scroll at the bottom to the left. I just tapped the phone and scrolled at the bottom where those little icons are. Tap sticker. And you see where it says full library? That's where your stickers go. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Now you guys are going to be branding yourself like crazy. This is so easy. All right, so I'm going to show you guys something else and how to put words on it. So then where it says, what is it? Text? Yeah, that's what it says. And then you could just put it right there. And then, you know, engagement is important. So you always want to ask a question. So we could put coffee or what? Tea. Right? Look at that. Wasn't that super simple? Who is excited? Say me in the comments. All right, so after you finish making your photo or your meme, what you're gonna do, is see that arrow again at the top right. Save as copy. I gotta move me. Save as copy. See, it's saving it for you. Now notice where it said, you guys probably know the answer. Where did it go? What album did it go to? Let me know in the comments. I know who's listening. I'm just kidding. All right, then go back out. Back out. And then there it is in the uncategorized album. And so if you want to move it, you just tap it. Remember that? And you see the little boxes at the bottom with the plus sign? Tap that, and you can copy it to an album. My albums, and then February party. Isn't that simple? I'm super excited about that. All right, so now I want to show you here how to do a video. All right, so let me get out of here, and we're gonna go into Instagram and go to Reels. There it goes. All right, so what you're gonna do is once you find a video you like or a recipe and you want to save it and know exactly where it's at, you're gonna, bam it. That's what we're gonna do. So you see the little arrow there? You're gonna tap that, and then you see where it says share to between copy, link, and WhatsApp at the bottom. You're gonna do the share to, and look, guys, you see where bam is right there? We're by my mail icon, my mail thing, whatever. You're gonna tap the bam. Look at this. It's so cool. Click next. And then you're gonna save it. And where does it save to? Let me know in the comments. Where does it go? Who was listening? Let me see. Oh, you guys are so smart. Yep. So go to the uncategorized, and then there is that video right here. And then you can move it to whatever album you want to. Maybe it's inspiration, maybe it's recipes, totally up to you. There's absolutely no limit, again, on how many albums you can create. This will declutter your device. It is going to be amazing and make it so much more simple for you guys to run your digital business on BAM. Awesome.